Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, your friendly neighborhood aviation enthusiast. Today's video will be another flight review, the third in a four-part series I'm filming of my flights to the US and back. Today I will be flying from Washington Dulles International Airport to Los Angeles International Airport. Here I am, I'm driving on the highway right now. So before the video starts, I'd just like to tell you to please like and subscribe down below. And there will also be going to be links to the other videos that I've made so far of this journey in the description. So let's start. So hello everyone. I'm right here at Dulles Airport, just about to go in and depart. So yeah. I'll show some footage of check-in now. So here I am. I'm at the United check-in over here at Washington Dulles Airport. Absolutely beautiful Art Deco architecture over here. Surprisingly quiet. This is a pretty busy airport, but I guess since it is only about a year after COVID, that obviously it's not going to be very busy. Last time I was here, however, last year it was much more busy. So here I am. I'm at Dulles International Airport. So just passed through security, and I'm about to go on the Dulles Interconcourse train to the C gates, specifically gate C25. So, just to give you a bit of history about Washington Dulles Airport. Washington Dulles Airport was first opened in 1962. It was named after General Allen Dulles. He was an important U.S. general. So Dulles Airport is the main international airport of Washington, D.C. and the second largest airport in D.C. by passenger numbers, eclipsed by Washington Reagan. So here I am. I just got out of security and the terminal train. So here is the flight I am flying on. It's their 3:02 p.m. flight. United Airlines flight 1522. Non-stop service from Washington Dulles International to Los Angeles International Airport. This is Concourse C. Right here. The gate is at the very end towards there. So here I am at gate C25. I'm going to be board in 10 minutes. So over here is my aircraft, and I'm flying on all the way over to Los Angeles. November 37508. A 4-year-old Boeing 737 MAX 9 from October of 2018. And it just came in from Denver. So I actually have absolutely a great view of 2 more aircraft. They're both A330s. There's an Iberia A330. Not sure whether it came in from Madrid or Barcelona. And over there's an ITA A330. Again, not sure where it came from. Probably not Rome, will probably have more demand. Maybe like Florence or Venice, possibly.
Pieces go on their side like a book on a bookshelf. These are the oversized bin, folks. All right. So welcome. Suitcases go on their side like a book on a bookshelf. Thank you very much. Once again, folks, for our guests just entering the aircraft, it is a pleasure having you join us on Flight 1522 with service to Los Angeles International Airport. As you're getting settled, please be so kind. These are the oversized bins. Please put your suitcase in wheels first. Flip them on their side. The larger ones might not quite close, but I know the smaller ones will fit on their side like a book on a bookshelf. So please put those smaller suitcases like a book on a bookshelf. These are the oversized bins. You will be sharing the bins with 5 to 6 other guests, so please do be kind to your neighbor. Everybody would like to get their bags on board. One item goes up in the overhead. The rest does need to go underneath the seat in front of you. Please ensure that everything you place underneath your seat fits completely underneath the seat, keeping the area around your feet clear. Once again, one item goes up and the rest goes underneath the seat in front of you. Please hang on to your coats and jackets until all the bags have been stowed. And if there's space available, you'll... So please, folks, once again, one item goes up. Preferably put those suitcases on their side and the rest goes underneath the seat in front of you. Thank you. Greatly appreciate it. Once you found your seat, please get into your row. Allow those behind you to pass, and that will help expedite the boarding process. Once again, it's a pleasure having you join us. Thank you. Again, for our guests just entering the aircraft, it is a pleasure having you join us on Flight 1522 with service to Los Angeles International Airport. As you're getting settled, please be so kind as to put those rollerboard suitcases in wheels first towards the wings, flip them on their side like a book on a bookshelf. These are the oversized bins. We ask that you only place one item in the overhead compartment, folks. We have a pretty full flight. Everyone would like to get their bags on board. Please do be kind to your neighbors. You'll be sharing that overhead with 5 to 6 other guests. One item goes up, the rest goes underneath the seat in front of you. Backpacks, purses, tote bags, camera bags, shopping bags. If you're traveling with little ones, please put their items. Once again, folks, it is a pleasure having you all join us.
On Flight 1522 with nonstop service to Los Angeles International Airport. My name is Lydia. I'll be serving as your purser on this flight going into Los Angeles. Your aircraft is under the command of Captain Nicholson and First Officer Elia. They've informed us that we have a flight time of 4 hours and 54 minutes. And there is a 3-hour time change going into Los Angeles. It is a pleasure having you all join us. And a very special thank you extended to our Mileage Plus members for your loyalty and to all our customers for choosing to fly with us today. Our entire team is here to ensure that you have a very pleasant journey going into Los Angeles. However, before we depart, we'll be showing you a safety demonstration, as safety is our top priority. So please take a minute, pay attention to the following safety demonstration, even if you're a frequent flyer, as each aircraft type is different. Please review that safety card located at your seat and please follow along. Whenever that seatbelt sign is on, please take your seats and fasten your seatbelt low and inflate your vest by pulling down sharply on the red tab or by blowing into the tube. This aircraft also has instant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary. Smoking, vaping, or using e-cigarettes or smokeless tobacco is not allowed on the aircraft. Turn off that fasten seatbelt sign, and that will be your indication that it is safe to get up and move about the cabin. You may continue to use and charge your phones and small tablets. Your feedback is very important, so some of you will receive it. Ride safe, everyone. Have a great weekend. And if you're continuing on, safe journey and have a great weekend as well. From all of us to all of you, make the rest of your day a great day. Thank you for joining us.
Boy, such a Qantas. The Iberian Virgin Atlantic. Hey guys, get ready. Over here we have American Airlines, Boeing 777. Don't know if that is that in
Thank you, folks. Thanks very much.
Yes.